In context of biology, our group decided to research the field of symbiotic relationships between plants, animals, and fungi. To start, the definition of a symbiotic relationship is when two or more species benefit the other, where neither organism is harmed during the process of mutual cooperation. By implementing this technology, farms throughout the globe would be able to take advantage of such relationships in agricultural practices. Thus, it would be possible to increase the yield of staple crops, commonly consumed foods, thus taking the world one step closer to feeding 7 billion people.
We can take advantage of these relationships quite easily, as these type of relationships can be as simple as growing one type of plant next to another, and even placing certain crops in an ecosystem that inhabits species of animals that benefit these crops in the process. Many of these practices can be implemented in agriculture to improve different aspects of farming. Crops such as nitrogen-fixing legumes, also beans, can provide the soil with extra nutrients, therefore benefiting the surrounding crops, and when coupled with crop rotation as well, soil depletion can be prevented.
Within the realm of symbiotic relationships between plants, animals, and fungi, fungi have a relationship with crop production that is very similar to the symbiotic relationships of plants. Take, for example, arbuscular mycorrhizal fungi, referred to as AM. This particular fungus enables a plant to grow larger, thus resulting in more efficient root systems, which results in an increased gain of nutrients from the soil.
In addition to the symbiotic relationship of plants and fungi to crops, insect-feeding animals also have an important role in aiding and sustaining crop output and growth. Staple crops such as wheat, corn, and rice do not rely heavily upon animal pollination to maintain a consistent output. The presence of insect-feeding animals such as birds, bats, or lizards produce the abundance of plant-feeding insects that inhibit crop growth. The ecosystem around the crop should be carefully managed to maintain a strong number of insect-feeding animals.
All of these techniques can be implemented in farming practices in order to feed 7 billion. With higher crop yield across a range of different species of plants, with the help of mutually beneficial plants, fungi, and animals, more food can be obtained and spread across the globe.